I'm finding your food dish. Just give me a second, buddy. I think I figured out your name. You're Phil the Pheasant. We were trying to come up with something fancy. We had Philip Reginald, the pheasant protector of the realm. That all seemed a little too fancy. So the kids and I decided you're just Phil the Pheasant, some local guy. Kids came up with some good ones, but it all was just a little too precocious. Phil the Pheasant. Yep, I think you like it, Phil. Even Philip, too much. Phil the Pheasant. Let me find your dish. Get you fed.